channel, and this is Team Zulueta! If you're just new to our channel, don't forget to
like,
subscribe,
and hit the notification bell
for future videos!
Alright guys, so now we're gonna show you how to make your plain TV wall more interesting without spending so much money.
How much did you spend for this project?
Approximately around $300, all of which are purchased from Bunnings.
Okay, now let's do this!
Alright guys, so now that was the stage where we cleaned up all the mess here so that I can have space on the wall. So now the next step would be to put on some adhesive or sealant. I've got this Bondcrete from Bunnings to seal the wall so that the vinyl planks will bond or stick properly. This is the vinyl plank that we got from Bunnings. As you can see, this is just only peel on, so you can just easily stick it to the wall. It's kind of easier than, you know, getting wood and then screwing a stud frame and then putting on the wood. This is much easier and looks real, right? Looks the same as real wood. All right, so now let's install it. See you. So now we're at the halfway point, as you can see. And one more thing, it's fairly easy to cut and measure as you need. So I'll demonstrate. So I just measure what I need up to here. It's pre-measured. Then you need a straight edge and a cutter. And then just fold. That's it.
Oh no!
Kabot ka, Daddy.
Guys, it's an epic fail, but yeah, I'll find a way to put it back on the wall. I want you. Alright guys, so welcome back. This is the week after our epic fail, and as you can see, there's only a few of them left. Approximately 3 of them left on the wall. So I'm gonna reapply some vinyl adhesive that I got from Bunnings and my trusty trowel, which has a V-notch, so that I can apply the adhesive to the wall.
Okay, so my dad is gonna do it all over again.
So I'll see you in a bit and enjoy the time lapse.
We're gonna set it.
Alright guys, hopefully, fingers crossed, they stick to the wall. And now, let's do the second montage.
And now we're gonna give you a tour. Wow, tour. As if naman it's the whole house. No, it's just this corner. Okay, and now this is our TV. Our beautiful TV with an accent wall. Yes, an accent wall. Because when you touch it, you'll have a British accent. Hey, can you give me a glass of water? Okay, bentang-benta sa kanya. Isa pa. Akin na eh, ang cute-cute ng bakla. Pangasinan accent. Hindi niya na-gets. Okay, hindi niya na-gets. Okay. Kapampangan. Ay, ano ang gawa mo? Bakit ganito? Ang okay mo, di pa nakakatawa. Wala pa doon. Saglit lang. Ay, Heaven, may aas dun sa gulot ng balen. Okay, tama na ang kalokohan. So, yun ang ating mga accent. Mga accents? Accents? Okay. First, with this TV. We like the, what do you call that again? The TV wall mount. To keep your TV floating. Wow, ano to? Magician? Yes, it's floating. And the good thing is that you can retract this TV going forward. And if you are in the kitchen, you can just turn it. And then you can watch from the kitchen. And then if you are outside, you can turn it up as well. If you are in the alfresco, you can watch from there. And going back to the center and push it. There you have it! Our very nice TV wall mount, and then you have to hide all of the cables. There is a cable hider. There's a hole over there, and then going out over there. Oh my goodness, my husband is so good. Yes, very, very good. And now, we have this trunks of tree. We just made pulot this one from the canto. Corner. In English, corner. Doon sa kanto. So, may mga putol ng puno, and then nilagay lang nila sa labas. At syempre, since I'm the rubbish queen, I took all of this. Not me, actually, it's my husband. I can make buhat this one because it's so heavy. And then my tatang did all of this holes. Ooh. Yeah, like machete. My tatang is my machete. And then we just put some plants that we bought from Bunnings. And then, ayan na. So this is the final product. And moving on to this side. This TV, what do you call this one? TV wrap.
Closet.
No, closet. We just took it.
Cabinet.
Yeah, we bought it from Facebook Market. Siyempre matipid tayo. And this one is from our friend Lillian. And this one, itong dalawang to. And this one, napulot ulit namin! Ako po ay isang mamubulot dito sa Australia. Halos lahat po ng gamit namin napupulot ko lamang sa daan. Yes! And this one, we bought it from our friend Lillian. Yes, where the green things are. So, ayan. Follow nyo siya on Instagram and Facebook, and then you can buy this one from her. It's so pretty! I just love it! Yeah! And of course, from Paris with Love! Ta-da!
And our sensor.
And our sensor.
Xbox sensor.
Xbox sensor and speaker.
Saan galing yung Xbox?
From Ate Adele. Shout out to Ate Adele. O, napulot din, di ba? Lahat na lang pinihingi.
Also,
Yes, Ate Adele gave this one, di ba?
Also-
Mga pinaglumaan.
Also,
Pero carry
box.
lang. So, kapag pinaglumaan, hindi dapat na itatapon mo lang. See, ayan o, tinatapon ng mga putihan dito. E di, pinupulot ko lang. Ganda, di ba? Yes. Okay, the next plants. These are all from Lillian. Lillian, see, oh, they are all grown up. Isang plant lang to. Now, dinivide na namin. Naging 3 plants na siya. Yay! And this one, itatapon na rin ni Ate Maylene. Shout out to Ate Maylene. At sabi ko, oh no, you cannot throw this. I can use it in my house. Yes! So, binigay to ni Ate Maylene. Imbes na itapon niya, kinuha ko na lang. And of course, our painting on the wall. Itatapon na rin ni Ate Maylene. Hiningi ko rin. Lahat na itatapon. Ibigay niyo sa akin. Just call me. I'm just a text away and a call away. Diba? So, in short, marami dito, puro pulot lang. Yes, and then we just made it into something pretty, just like me. And we have a CCTV. Opo, andito ka sa bahay ni Kuya. Nakamonitor ang lahat,
We
no?
can
For our
see
safety.
ourselves.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot, even with the failures. That's okay. Okay. Again, see you on our next vlog, and don't forget to
Like
Subscribe.
and hit the notification bell
for future videos.